back to Taylor's Kitchen. It's midweek and we've got a stir fry. Stir fry, dead easy. Chicken, peppers, Bok Choy out the garden. So a bit of a stir fry. We've got the Bok Choy out the garden, like I said, and we've washed it and done everything that we need to do with it. Chopped the onions, a few carrots in there as well. There is some peppers, ginger, garlic's already in here. What I did with this, and you can do this yourself, you can marinate it in the morning, leave it over the day. When you come back, it's already done. Just cover it with cling film, put it in the fridge. Simple. So there we are. Peppers, ginger, and a bit of hoisin sauce just to finish it off just at the end, which will be absolutely fantastic. All right, so let's get underway. Let's see where we are with this. Let's see how I walk up. So the marinated chicken, which I said to you before, you can do this in the morning. Do the night before if you want. It doesn't really make any difference. And all it is, in this case, it's chicken thigh. And all I'm going to do is marinate it in some corn flour, salt and pepper, a little bit of sesame oil, and a bit of garlic. And the smell is amazing because it's been marinated. This has been marinated for about 4 hours, which is excellent. So if you look at the ingredients there, you need to put them in the order that you want to cook them. So what you don't want is everything that cooks really quickly to be put in first. So you do the stuff that cooks quickly towards the end. So right at the end, the Bok Choy will go in, okay? And just before that, the peppers will go in, because that's what we want. We don't want it to all be mush. So that's the way we're going to do this. Chicken smells amazing, which is what we want. So next thing, we're going to get our onions, and I've got a few carrots as well. Carrots out of the garden, and they're excellent. They really are. So. Okay, and with our chilies. These are mild chilies, these, so they're the ones, if you watched the channel a few months ago, I actually stuffed with goat's cheese, so they're really mild. They're the ones you get in the olive oil from the supermarket, but they taste really good, so we're going to have that. Chilies in, get our peppers in. Wow, smells amazing. So. Sauce in. A bit of stock. A bit of Bok Choy.